unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Making money from scratch involves several key strategies. Initially, identify a unique skill or solution you can offer, such as digital marketing, web development, or handmade crafts. Next, establish a strong online presence through social media and professional websites to showcase your offerings. Networking is vital. Hence, connect with potential clients or customers through online platforms and local events. Importantly, start small and scale gradually, reinvesting profits to grow your venture. Embrace continuous learning to improve your services or products, and don't underestimate the power of customer feedback for improvement and innovation.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.